Organizations are currently facing an intelligence paradox. They have more data and more AI than ever, yet they have less certainty. This stems from data chaos, where fragmented definitions break down institutional logic. Traditional BI creates an agility bottleneck due to stale extracts and manual backlogs, preventing teams from moving at the speed of chat. And without a governed foundation, AI initiatives face high-integrity risks and hallucinations that can derail your entire digital transformation. Conversational Analytics in Looker provides universal trust for the entire organization. It is designed for the business explorer who needs to move from a question to an action without waiting for a technical analyst. Because it is grounded in LookML, it guarantees that every answer, whether it's about revenue or churn, is accurate and consistent. Good news is that Conversational Analytics in Looker supports multiple technologies and databases. Check out the docs for an exhaustive list. While the potential for natural language data interaction is massive, the reality is that relying on large language models to generate raw SQL is risky. Without a grounded foundation, LLMs often struggle with relative date filters, complex multi-column joins, and inconsistent metric definitions. This is where LookML becomes our superpower. Instead of forcing the AI to guess how your data is structured, we use Looker's semantic layer to provide the intelligence. This ensures that when a user asks a question, the AI doesn't just improvise code. It queries your predefined business logic to return answers that are guaranteed to be consistent, accurate, and auditable across the entire organization. To understand conversational analytics, we look at the three pillars that bridge the gap between human language and technical data. First, Gemini interprets your natural language prompts, allowing for a truly conversational interface. Second, this is grounded by your LookML semantic model, the deterministic source of truth that ensures every answer is consistent with your business logic. Finally, we introduce agents. While LookML is rigid and reliable, agents provide the flexible, probabilistic instructions that define exactly how users interact with that data. Together, they allow your team to access governed insights across a multi-cloud ecosystem without needing to see the complexity behind the curtain. Now let's look at the actual handshake that turns a question into an insight. When a user asks a question, the system doesn't just search for keywords. It extracts the analytical intent. We provide the large language model with the essential context, the prompt, your unique LookML definitions, and specific agent instructions. The model then maps that intent to your LookML model. Instead of just returning a text summary, it identifies the specific components, the fields, filters, and sorts, and assembles them into a structured request. By leaning on the LLM for intent and Looker for the query generation, we ensure every answer is accurate, governed, and ready for action. But we don't stop at just generating a query. To truly ground these responses in your business context, we use a few advanced techniques. Beyond the initial LookML mapping, Looker acts as an intelligent intermediary, automatically handling complex joins and data permissions so the user doesn't have to. Once the data is retrieved, our conversational engine goes a step further. We leverage Gemini for high-level summarization and a built-in code interpreter to perform deeper analysis. This allows the system to generate Python-based visualizations on the fly, providing a complete, insightful answer that goes far beyond a simple data table. Now you understand how Looker Conversational Analytics works, you can look to optimize it across any of its interfaces. Looker provides a seamless experience from the UI to the API. While the Looker UI offers governed exploration for thousands of users, our Conversational Analytics API empowers developers to build custom AI agents for any application. Additionally, we enable customers to publish Looker agents directly into Gemini Enterprise, creating a unified hub for agentic workflows. As we bring conversational analytics to Looker, we are making security your top priority, not an afterthought. We're committed to providing industry-leading compliance for every AI workload you run. With data residency, all conversational analytics data is stored at rest directly within your Looker instance. We also provide full isolation for data in use and in transit within US and EU jurisdictions. Beyond residency, we're giving you unprecedented control over your environment. For Looker Core customers, this includes customer-managed encryption keys for total ownership, access transparency and approvals for full administrative oversight, and native support for VPC service controls and private IP environments. No extra configuration required. Finally, and most importantly, we maintain a strict zero-model training policy. Your data is yours. It is never used to train our models. With Looker, you get the power of AI, with the soul of enterprise security. Check out the official Looker documentation for more details on security. More to come.